Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use normalization in IDQ Pro. This feature applies a normalization algorithm to the spectral axis of the dataset, having all intensity values in the range between 0 and 1. This operation is global and will be retained for all other functions and algorithms. To start, you'll want to open an image and go to Filtering and Enhancement, and go to Normalization. You'll be given three options: normalization, z-score normalization, and standard deviation normalization. Each of them function the same way. You click on normalization, and the algorithm is applied. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.